Good morning, this is Faye Thompson. This morning we're going to do a busy day soup, and it's really great for when you get real busy and have to have something quick, and it's really good too. I think you'll enjoy this soup. I'm going to double this recipe, and we're going to start off with our water, and there is 10 cups of water. We have 2 pounds of ground beef, and you want to crumble this meat up real good. I don't like it ever get lumpy. I'm not sure how much fat this had in it, but it looks good. I'll just crumble it up now so it won't, if you start heating it, then it'll sometimes stick together, and I don't like for it to do that. This soup is great if you get busy and have to do something, and you can put it in the refrigerator and warm it up and eat it. You can freeze it. You know, I freeze it, and some days I come in and be out in the yard working, and I'll come in and just get me a soup out of the freezer and warm it up, and maybe have a little cornbread with it. And you've got a complete meal with it, because it has vegetables and about everything in it. So, okay, we're just about to get through with this meat. Don't want to waste that. The next thing we're going to add is 2 packages of Lipton onion soup. Yeah, that always gives everything a good taste. 4 cups of, these are frozen vegetables. Now, if you didn't want to use the frozen vegetables, you could very easily cut up your own. It has celery, potatoes, onions, and carrots is what I see in here. So you could do your own if you want to, but I picked these up in the frozen food department, and it makes it easy to do, a lot simpler. So we're going to take this over to the cooker, and I really like these cookers. They make life simple. Okay, we're going to turn it on high, and we're going to cook it for about 30 minutes. Okay, that's all we have to do, and when that gets done, we'll finish it. We're going to cook our noodles. You just cook them according to the directions on the package. We're using elbow macaroni. I'm going to put a little bit of salt in there. Now our water is boiling, and I have put 2 cupfuls of elbow macaroni in here, and we're going to set a timer and time that for about 10 minutes. Our macaroni is ready now, and I'm going to take it over to the sink and drain it. Okay, our meat and the vegetables are cooked, and we're going to pour all of this on the top of our macaroni. I'm changing pots because this one is a little larger there. I think this one we cooked the meat in is a little bit small. It looks like we got our beef cut up good. We're going to pour our tomatoes over this, and we're using 56 ounces. What I did is puree these. I don't know why. You don't have to do that if you don't want to, but to me, I've fixed it both ways, and I liked it better pureed. Just gonna put salt and pepper and a little cayenne pepper to taste. What I like to do is put a little and come back and taste of it. Here's the black pepper we'll put in it. And we're gonna be very careful about the cayenne pepper. You can overdo that real quick. I think it's plenty. Okay, I think our busy day soup is ready, and you can eat on it and freeze it and warm it up the next day, and it'll last for several days. I hope you try this, and I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you watch us on another video. Thank you for watching.